The Subaru XV II, produced from 2017 to 2023, features power folding side mirrors that enhance maneuverability in tight spaces. These mirrors can be easily folded and unfolded, making it simpler to navigate narrow parking spots or garages. The folding mechanism is electrically controlled through a dedicated switch located on the driver's door panel. When folded, these mirrors reduce the vehicle's overall width by approximately 4 to 6 inches per side, providing better access in tight spaces. The mirror switch is located on the driver's side door panel. Look for a rocker-style switch with a mirror icon folding inward. The switch is backlit for visibility at night. To fold the mirrors manually, first ensure the ignition is on or in accessory mode. This provides power to the mirror system. Locate the mirror switch on the driver's door panel. Press the switch toward the driver to fold both mirrors inward electrically. To unfold the mirrors, press the switch away from the driver. The mirrors will return to their original extended position. Higher trim levels like Limited and Premier include auto-folding mirrors that work automatically with the key fob. The mirrors fold automatically when the vehicle is locked with the key fob. They unfold automatically when the vehicle is unlocked. This feature is linked to the vehicle's immobilizer system for security. The electric motor inside the mirror powers this automatic folding mechanism. If the mirrors do not respond, ensure the vehicle is unlocked. Check the 10A fuse in the underhood fuse box. A mirror system failure message on the dashboard indicates a potential problem. Avoid operating the mirrors in extreme cold, below 4 degrees Fahrenheit or -20 to prevent motor strain. Inspect mirror hinges for debris annually. According to Subaru's service intervals, this should be done around 50,000 miles. Keep the switch clean and free of obstructions. If you have a 2019 model, ensure any mirror-related recall software updates have been applied. Folding mirrors reduce the vehicle's overall width by approximately 4 to 6 inches per side, making it easier to park in tight urban spaces. This allows fitting into parking spots that are up to 1.5 meters narrower than what would be possible with fixed mirrors. These mirrors help prevent damage in narrow environments by folding inward to avoid obstacles. Owners in congested cities have reported a significant reduction in door dings, with some studies showing up to 70% fewer incidents when using folding mirrors. According to owner surveys, 82% of Subaru XV II owners use the folding mirrors at least weekly, primarily for navigating narrow lanes and storage in urban settings. This makes the feature especially valuable in high-traffic areas where maneuverability is key. While the XV II mirror system is reliable and durable, automotive technology continues to advance. Newer vehicles are integrating gesture control, allowing drivers to fold mirrors with simple hand movements. AI-assisted folding anticipates driver needs, while Subaru's newer models offer smartphone app integration for remote control. Future trends focus on aerodynamic designs that reduce drag and energy-efficient mirrors made from recycled materials.